I'm walking up to Contemporary to meet Stephanie. She's working here today, and I'm gonna visit her on her break, and we're gonna see if we can maybe squeeze in a ride or two at Main Street, because she's got like a 3-hour break. One of these days. Oh, that's one that has Dumbo on it too. What did you say? These days. Okay, I need. It's the one that has the aqua duck. So the two. It's a cool ride that's on it. I want to go on a Disney cruise. Stephanie's shifts were running a little late, so I'm going to go to Magic Kingdom now and go see if I can get us some good spots. Fingers crossed. Look, there's a Contemporary. That's where Stephanie is right now. So, it started pouring down rain in the middle of the parade, and she wasn't even off yet. And then, so I ran to my umbrella. Still raining. And went and picked her up, and it kept raining. So now we're just kind of hanging out.
Two little girls talked to us. Like, you're soaked.
Yep, and I like wrung my little drape out with water. It was really funny. So now we're gonna see Philhar. Yay!
Take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new
Look at all the orange. So much orange. Beautiful. This says Halloween. I almost said Christmas.
It's Christmas time.
I'm ready. I'm ready for Christmas now.
How many Fridays till Christmas?
I have no idea. Finally home. Took longer than expected. Got on Haunted Mansion, did Philhar. I am still soaking wet though. So I'm gonna go home, take all the clothes, dry them off, put on clean, nice, dry clothes, make some coffee, and relax. Stephanie is actually going to Disneyland here soon. So I'm gonna have the place all to myself. That's gonna be nice. I think I'm going to live in the living room, like just be there. But oh my goodness, did you hear that? Did you want something? Did you want something? This little one got fed by Auntie Stephanie and Mommy this morning. So you should not be hungry. I will give you water because you don't have a whole lot, but you should not be hungry. No matter how much you give me that kitty fish. No.